DNA replication. DNA replication begins at a specific point in the DNA, called the origin of replication site. Initially, the enzyme helicase unwinds and separates a portion of the DNA, after which single-strand binding proteins react and stabilize the separated single-stranded sections of the DNA. Replication begins as an enzyme called primase assembles an RNA primer at the origin of replication site. DNA polymerase is then able to add DNA nucleotides to the RNA primer and thus begin the process of constructing a new complementary strand of DNA. Sometimes the polymerase does make a mistake, so an autocorrect feature is also included. Because the two complementary strands of DNA are oriented in opposite directions and the DNA polymerase can only accommodate replication in one direction, two different mechanisms for copying the strands of DNA are employed. One strand is replicated continuously towards the unwinding, separating portion of the original DNA, while the other strand is replicated discontinuously in the opposite direction with the formation of series of short DNA segments called Okazaki fragments. An enzyme called ligase connects the fragments together, thus completing the process of the DNA replication on the other side. Now you have two strands of DNA. Here is a sped up version of DNA replication.